Hi, and welcome to this look at how to calculate the MR of a section of polymer. It's an applied exam question style that's increasingly popular. So looking at the question, they want you to think about two aminopropanoic acids. So the way to do this is to visualize just that compound. They want one repeat unit of this polymer. So your repeat unit will need to have trailing bonds either side with a carbonyl one end and an NH at the other. So it'll have this section of the 2-aminopropanoic acid molecule will be in between those two trailing bonds. So perhaps the most challenging part of the question is the relative molecular mass part. So let's clear the screen and have a look at that. So 400 molecules of 2-aminopropanoic acid means looking at that molecule again and then calculating the MR of that section of polymer. So one of these is going to be 89.0 grams per mole. Multiply that by 400, obviously that gives you 35,600. This is partially right, but we need to actually take it all the way because we need to think about the fact it's a condensation polymer. So for each repeat unit that's formed, one water molecule is lost. So taking that idea, the repeat unit also represents one molecule, so 400 repeat units will be made in the section described. So that means 399 water molecules are lost because we don't include the one from the two ends of the polymer. You'll have a trailing bond either end. So we're not thinking about that one in the section of polymer. We're only thinking about ones that are lost as the section of polymer is made. So from 35,600, we subtract 399 water molecules, which gives us 28,418 grams per mole. Okay, this was quite a tricky question, but what you've got to remember from when we're looking at these types of questions is that the trailing bonds at each end of the polymer section are not counted. Although there's a water lost from there, you don't count that, because what you need to imagine is the structure that you can see in front of you here multiplied 400 times. So 400 water molecules take away the one that isn't included. That would be the two ends, like I can show you here. That is what you do. So, as always, thanks for listening. Until next time, see you soon.